How to deactivate Facebook account in 2023. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Facebook account in 2023, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to deactivate your Facebook account in 2023, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all basically launch the Facebook application here. Then tap the three lines option that you can find over here. Then just go to settings by tapping the gear icon and come to the settings and privacy page. And once you're on this page, what you actually want to do is just go to account center. Once you come to account center, go to personal details. Then just go to account ownership and control. Then over here go to deactivation or deletion. Then just select the Facebook account that you would like to deactivate. You have two options to deactivate or delete it, but I'm just going to select deactivate account and then just tap on continue. Select your reason as to why you are deactivating it, enter the password, tap and continue, confirm the changes, and your Facebook account will be successfully deactivated. Keep in mind that deactivation is a temporary process, so if you're worried about your account getting deleted, do not worry. You can reactivate your account anytime as you wish, as long as you make sure you chose deactivate instead of delete. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.